There's one big advantage of BIM: you become more productive. You can design very nice buildings without using BIM. These were designed 4,000 years ago as well, but it's mainly that you become more productive. You make more projects in less time.
Advantages of BIM are that you actually get to see conflicts and build the project first before you actually go out to the field and have issues that are very expensive and time-consuming and possibly dangerous.
BIM for me is an opportunity for construction and the built environment to transform and modernize, not only to become more efficient, but also to become more effective and deliver better outcomes.
It's a challenge, of course, but it's worth, because there are two things. You have less construction errors and you make more projects in the same period of time. So with the same amount of people, you will have more projects during a year.
I would say to invest in education and training very heavily to make sure that people know how to operate the software that you end up choosing or the various software that you use for creating BIM projects.
Think small projects, small steps, then that's the fastest way to implement BIM.
I'd say do it, but don't be worried about making mistakes. Find the opportunity to build your capability slowly, learn from your experiences, and improve project after project.
You have to change the mindset of the people. Of course, you have to buy new equipment, new machines, new software, but the biggest investment is the changing of the thinking of the people. You are not drafting anymore. There are no separate drawings. There's one project integrated, and all the drawings are derived from that, all the documentation.
Just trying to get everybody trained properly is one of the big challenges, and utilizing the software effectively and having a plan in action.
A lot of people talk about the technology and the interoperability. For me, the biggest challenge is people. It's affecting the change both for the individuals involved, but also their organizations as well.
The future of BIM, I won't say it especially in Hungary, as I'm from Hungary, but in the whole EU, it's a very important trend. Already governments discovered why they are implementing BIM standards in different countries. It's very simple. Governments discovered that on government projects they can save a lot of money. It's simple as that. And there they started developing the BIM standards in each country. It would be nice to have a common standard for the whole EU, as we are 27 countries now. There are very advanced ones in Singapore, UK already, in certain European countries like the Nordic ones, and in Austria.
I think the usage of BIM in the future will be much higher. We have been running a lot of pilots. We have experience now. The industry is better prepared, software, hardware, and I think the most important is for the younger people who's entering the stage from now on to the future. For them it's not an option, BIM or not to BIM. They want BIM.
The United States is heavily adopting BIM very quickly, and I believe it's going to be instituted on almost every project here in the very near future. And also end up being taken into operations and maintenance of those buildings for years to come.
Within the UK, I hope that we'll continue with the success that we've had with the introduction of what we call Level 2 BIM, which was subject to a mandate by 2016. We've still got some organisations and some projects that need to transform to Level 2 BIM. Beyond that, we're already looking at research and development on the next level of maturity for BIM as well.